AutoCAD versus Revit. AutoCAD. Description: AutoCAD is a CAD, computer-aided drafting, tool used for precise 2D drawings and basic 3D modeling across many industries. Revit. Description: Revit is a BIM, building information modeling, tool used for intelligent 3D modeling of buildings and systems, linking geometry plus data. AutoCAD. Why we use it: to generate 2D plans, sections, elevations for quick drawing production, common in pipelines, manufacturing, fabrication, because DWG format is widely accepted. You can start drawing quickly with minimal setup. Revit. Why we use it: to build 3D models where every element has data size, material, system, to generate plans, elevation sections automatically from model, to coordinate multiple disciplines, architecture, MEP, structure, to produce schedules, BOQ, detect clashes, plan construction. AutoCAD. How it work: manual drawing, lines, arcs, blocks, no built-in relation between views, uses layers to manage drawings. Revit. How it work: model-based. You place walls, slabs, pipes, etc. Change one thing, all views update. Uses categories, families, parameters. Views are managed by templates and levels, charge, grids. AutoCAD. Tools and modeling. 2D commands, line, trim, offset, etc. Basic 3D, extrude, sweep, revolve. Geometry only. Revit. Tools and modeling model commands, walls, floors, ducts, pipes, equipment, families. Parametric constraints control geometry. Objects include metadata, materials, system info, quantity. AutoCAD. Collaboration and file handling. Uses XRFs to link drawings. File-based sharing. Lightweight in file size. Revit. Collaboration and file handling uses central model plus work sharing. Multiple users can work on same model with roles and borrowed elements. Larger model files, heavier hardware required. AutoCAD. Technical features. Uses XREFs to link drawings. File-based sharing. Lightweight in file size. Revit. Technical features. Families, parameters, auto schedules, data extraction, BIM workflows, APIs and dynamo geometry, data, relationships, BIM intelligence. AutoCAD. Hardware or system requirements. Processor, 2.5 GHz, 3 GHz plus recommended. Memory, minimum 8 GB RAM, 16 GB plus recommended for better performance. Disk space, 10 GB free. Display, GPU, 1920 by 1080 recommended. GPU with DirectX 11 support. Revit. Hardware or system requirements. Processor, Intel iSeries, Xeon, AMD Ryzen, etc. 2.5 GHz plus, higher single-core gigahertz better. Memory, minimum 16 GB RAM. For larger, complex models, 32 to 64 GB RAM. Disk space, 30 GB free. Graphics, DirectX 11 capable graphics card with shader. Model 5. AutoCAD. Best use cases: 2D piping layouts, fabrication or shop drawings, small or medium projects, plant, oil and gas, fabrication. Revit. Best use cases: full 3D MEP systems, architectural, structural, MEP modeling, large coordinated BIM projects, building construction coordination. BOQ. AutoCAD. Learning difficulty: very beginner-friendly, quick to produce drawings. Revit. Learning difficulty: steeper learning curve, need to learn BIM concepts.